Here, as you have seen before, there are two methods to create a Microsoft Access database, just using template and using blank database. The third method is create table from SQL. It says how to create a table. The first step after creating your database in Microsoft Access is creating a table. Every database at least must have a single table. How can we create a table? Create table from design view, create table from datasheet view, and create table from SQL, the third one. From the three ways of creating database tables, the third is discussed in this section, in this textbook. Here under create tab, query design. How to write a query. In order to start writing a query, first you click on create tab, then click on query design. Then on the left side, SQL view. You have to choose the SQL view. Then there is a place window. It opens a window that helps you to type the command. Next, click on the drop down of SQL view that appears on the left corner on the window. It says from the option display, select SQL view. On the left side, it says next, click on the drop down of the SQL view that appears on the left corner of the window. And from the options display, select SQL view. This opens the query writing windows. On the window, you can write your SQL commands. Create helps you to create, select, update, to exchange, and insert to add additional records. How to run SQL commands. After writing your query using SQL, you can save and run your query. Here, on the design tab, results group, under results group, there is a run dialog box. After writing the command you have to run. For instance, create, then query design you have to choose. To write the command, SQL command, query design. Then this close, then SQL view, it is ready now. After typing, you have to click on run under design tab. But now it is not active because there is no command here. It says here, alternatively on design tab, the results group, click on run option to run the command after typing. Alternatively, double click. After typing the command, you can save and close, and alternatively double click the query you want to run on the left side of the objects, on the list of the objects. This works if you have already saved your query. For example, clicking male students in run query and male students from the database says. Data definition language, the first language. There are three languages under SQL. The components, data definition language, data manipulation language, and data query language. The data definition language helps you to create a table. The DDL or data definition language is a part of SQL that is used to create and restructure a database. Some of the most fundamental DDL or data definition language commands include create table, then alter table, and drop table. These are the commands under data definition language. Data definition language helps us to run these commands: create table, alter table, and drop table. We see each commands by one. Let me start the first command, create table command. The create table command is used to create a new table in the database. In the database, how can we create a table? Using create table command. There is possible to create a table by using datasheet view, possible to create by using design view, and it's possible to create a table by SQL commands. Therefore, the third one is create table command. The create table command is used to create a new table in the database. The create table command provides various options to create a table. Here, create table, then table name, the table name. Then under parenthesis column 1 this data type is data type, column 1 data type, then primary key a unique identifier, under bracket column 2 is data type. Will continue like this. Where create table is SQL command to create a table. Create table is SQL command to create table. Table name is a name for the table. For instance, farmer. Table name here, table name can be farmer. Column 1, column 2, column 3 are fields of the table. They are fields of the table. Optional primary key is command to set a unique identifier, but it is optional, it says. And the data type, we should assign the data type. Data type describes the type of the data of field can store. Car, int. There is a description for this. Here we will see. The first description data type in Microsoft SQL is car. This is used for text or combination of text and numbers, including numbers which do not require calculating. Doesn't require calculation. Car in capital letter. Then we can limit the length 20, for instance. If it is 21, it cannot accept. Up to 255 characters. Text. This is used for length text or combination of text. For instance, text 20, length of 20. But up to 60,000, 3,999 is possible. Under integer, only numbers are allowed, like age. Date time to appropriate date time. Currency, amount of money. I mean, or fields. When you want to feed amount of birth, we'll use this. Counter as an implies a unique sequential incremented by 1 or random number. Yes or no options are also. But here our aim is creating table using data definition language. Create tables, department and course, 2 tables. Then after creating the 2 tables, creating a relationship. But for today's lesson, I will demonstrate here how to create a table using SQL command. Then in next session, I will demonstrate how to create a relationship. How to create a table. There are 2 tables, for instance, department and course. We have to prepare their field names or columns. The name, the number, and the location says. Let me move to access. Create is the command. Table is the command. Create table is the command. Then we have to assign the table name, which is department. Department, it says. What's the fields under parentheses? Department, number. What's the character? I mean car. Comma. Each fields are separated by comma. Department, name with data type text. Text. Length is optional. Comma. And the location. Shift with minus sign. Location. We take this to type underscore. Then closing the parenthesis. Create table department, then department number or department name, text, will be finished. Now run. Services. What error? Relocation of no data type. Sorry. Text. Run now. Now it is created. Department. Give name, location. Already the table is created using the SQL command. For today's, I will continue in next session how to create a relationship using SQL. Thank you.